Mama. Where's Ryan? Hiding. We gonna go eat some breakfast, Mama? We gonna... Careful, careful.
I said I would eat gumballs.
Ryan, Christine.
I would eat gumballs. I would eat gumballs.
We're gonna go eat food, not gumballs. Huh?
Come on, Drew.
All right.
You don't need a gumball, my man. You're chilling. Ooh. It is. You got mommy's shades on? Let me see. Ooh, cool guy. Our favorite family restaurant to come to. Oh, I was reading that. Drew, Mama, your daddy brought a bib for you and everything. Mommy just woke up. She's not really about it yet.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pancakes.
What do you want to eat? Okay.
Okay, I'll get you pancakes, buddy.
Can Mommy look at it so she can see what she would like to eat?
You want scrambled eggs?
I want scrambled eggs. What else does Mommy want?
So, it's...
Say it. I don't want either of those things, but thank you.
This is one pancake for $3. Get her one.
Get him one, that'd be good.
Huh?
Drew! Hi, pretty girl.
Coffee?
It's not, that's not coffee. It's water.
She's trying to get you a drink.
Excuse me. Don't yell at me. Say, can I please have some horchata? Okay, that's enough. That's enough. You're gonna spill it. Ah. I love you.
I wonder why they closed at 3 here.
It has that vibe. I was kind of wondering if they were gonna close early. Is that like just a breakfast and lunch type spot, not a dinner restaurant? Fine, fine. She wants more horchata. Okay. Ah. And your dad's gonna say that's why I kept the bib on you. I was trusting you. We were all counting on you, Drew. We were all counting on you. Huh?
I said everything.
You are so your dad's son. There's so many pictures of you, Senior, like making crazy faces at cameras and stuff.
Cameras?
Yeah, like people were taking your picture. People would be taking your picture and your son is following in your footsteps.
Stop looking at.
Ew, were you licking that? That's how you get the Zika, alright? But seriously, don't be licking on stuff, weirdo.
Can I watch it?
You're watching Mommy's Snapchat story? You're watching Mommy try to feed Daddy cotton candy? Ah, your food looks good, babe. You butter in your pancake? Mommy got her country fried steak.
Okay, here's some syrup and ketchup. There's Mama's, and then here's for the little miss.
Thank you. You say thank you, Drew?
You're welcome. She's like, nope, put something on there, huh?
All right, let's eat.
No, this is a new one, man. This is a new one, yeah. Yeah?
You see the beach?
Yeah,
Somebody's super excited about the beach. Are you excited about the beach, Drew Mama? She looks like she could be so unbothered by it all. Huh? Okay.
Don't come wet.
Drew Mama.
Tie-dye Mary.
Slow down, Drew.
Careful though.
Get it!
Only your feet, only your feet. Calm down. Right there is good. Hold on. Wait, Ryan. Wait, careful, careful. That's all you need to do. Oh. Careful. He does not care about his pants being wet at all. What? What? There's some crabs in the water?
Yeah.
Oh. They're right in here, look. Look, we found one.
Can you give it to me?
You see it? I got it.
Can you get another one for me?
Okay, I'll get one for you. Hold on. Let's see if we can find it. And let's see. There you go. Right there. Grab it. It's right there.
Where's it?
Right there.
Let's get it.
Just turn your hand over. I'll put it in your hand. Turn your hand over. Ah, you dropped it.
Oh no.
Okay, hold on. I'll do it again.
Boy, boy.
There's plenty. Hold on. He likes sea crabs. What are they called? Wait, come back. No!
Huh?
Yeah, dude. Hold on. I'm going to find it. He's like, find them. Okay, give me your hand. There's going to be one in there. There's a couple in there. Look.
I got a baby one.
You got a baby one?
Yeah.
Let him crawl. Look, there's another one right there. He's hiding. He's hiding in your
There's
hand.
a little baby.
I'm
There's a
surprised.
baby.
Yeah, Mommy got one too.
Can
Yeah.
I keep it?
No, you can't keep
This is his
it.
house right here.
He lives here. You gotta rinse your hand in the water so you can get out. Wait for the waves to come back and you can rinse your hand out.
Like big enough.
Are you getting that one?
When it comes, you're gonna rinse your hand so it can go back in the water. You got another one? You gotta hold it. Don't pinch it.
It's a baby.
Yeah. It's a baby crab.
The waves coming down.
You gonna put them back in the water? Nice. That's so nice of you. One. Here comes another one. Open your hands up so you can get them. Look, Mommy's dropping some because you're not grabbing them. Look, there's one right there. There's one.
Take it with me.
You got it?
Yeah. It's a mama.
It's the mama? That's the mama crab?
I hate shit touching me.
Me too. It looks so weird.
I keep it.
No, you can't keep it. They live in the water. You gotta put them back in the water. You're so silly, Ryan Jr. Drew! Drew! Hi to Mama! Hi to Mama! Hi to Mama! Hi to Mama! She's too busy looking at whatever she's looking at.
Yeah, fine, hold on, buddy.
You need other pants? That's what we told you not to do it.
We don't got none.
Do you remember how far back we parked?
Past the factory does.
Ryan, come sit on the bench for me.
It's a bench made out of skateboard. See that? Come on up here, buddy.
You guys did such a good job. You can hear done saying cheese. Yes, girl. Hi, pretty girl. My big boy, you ready? She is bad. Do you like the bench?
You wanna go back and sit on there?
You can do it. Push yourself off. You got it.
Come on, let's go.
Just jump off, Ryan. It's an interesting way to get off the bench.
Well, it's kind of like
dip down, yeah.
Come on, buddy.
All right, let's go.